What's up, Fiza's World fans? It's me, Fiza, and today I'm at Seal Hut making a video today. And today I'm just so happy because it's just, look at this place, guys. It's so nice. The place I'm walking in, it's just so nice. See, so much wind and so much decorations. So, guys, I can't really talk to you for long. So yes, I'm just gonna make a short video today. I'm just gonna show you guys the place. Look, it's just so nice. If you go there, you will see this part, and it's just so beautiful, the place. So guys, that's all for today. I couldn't actually make a long video today, so yes guys, that's all for today. A 1-minute video. So I'll see you guys later. Goodbye, and make sure you like this video. Bye guys. Bye. Mwah.